What are you eating, Chance? I hear you eating and just being in iron, just smacking away in iron, dude. Like, what is happening?
Laffy Taffy, laugh bites, babe. I'm really hungry. We gotta get some food.
Laffy Taffy at that rank you got. Holy shit! Like,
The weed ones?
What?
We don't have any fucking Laffy Taffies for like eating that are not, you know.
bro, are you eating CBD?
Bro, what the fuck?
Are you eating CBD
he
gummies,
needs to
bro?
relax, okay? It's really stressful.
Oh no. Okay, no. These are not weed gummies. I'm okay. I would actually like end the stream and go to the hospital if they were. Because I ate the whole bag.
Don't remind me of weed gummies.